There we go, and we're back here on the show. Just real quick. I just want to ask, how tall is you guys? How tall is you?
I'm 6'2". I'm 6'1.5", I believe.
I'm 5'5". Yeah. So if you notice the, you know that's why. This ain't no image.
So you came up a little short.
Hey, I come up big in other areas.
Hey,
Okay.
guess you got it.
All right, so let's move on.
Mm.
All right, let's move on. Who is the hottest artist in the game right now?
Let me talk about Usher. His new album, Raymond vs. Raymond. I do enjoy it. OMG went #1 in early May. It's been fluctuating between those top 5 spots, but it's still hot. It's still in effect. People still love the song. I definitely love the song. I really like the whole album. It's really different from the styles that you've heard in the past. You wouldn't hear him doing techno-based dance songs, like he's doing now. We really weren't introduced to this, when he first came out. So he's taking different styles, he's taking different approaches, and I really like what he's doing.
And that's even after you hear his song 20 times a day on the radio.
Right. Really, I don't want to name the best right now, but I'm gonna say some of the hottest. Of course, Mr. Usher Raymond. Of course, from the female side, Nicki Minaj. I'm liking Ludacris. Ludacris is on a lot of albums. A lot of his album is real nice. Let's see, who else is out there? I'm liking the T.I. comeback. He came back out and he's doing his thing. He's putting down the records. I don't see him getting into any trouble. Seen him at the BET Awards. So
yeah.
I think it's a real nice time to be in music right now. So. Hold on, one minute. T.I. No more mixtapes, man. Too good for that.
Ooh.
Way too good for that. No more mixtapes.
Ooh, what happened with the mixtapes? What happened?
Did you hear his whole?
I gotta hear this.
You have to. It's called Alpha. Well, not Alpha Mixtape, but we all know what the F stands for. Anyway, there are a number of guest appearances. Jamie Foxx, Kevin Hart, Lil Duval telling him not to do the mixtape. You're too good for that, man. You trying to be a king. You about to turn out like LeBron in a minute, bro. You're 30 years old doing a mixtape. Come on now. No disrespect, LeBron. No disrespect. Too good for that.
Step your game up, son. Step your game up. I like Drake. I like
Drake.
Drake has his songs, to me, you can really relate to as far as everything, all the issues you go through with. You can truly relate to his song. I like that. His Find Your Love, we just played earlier on the show.
That's gotta be one of the most prominent love songs released in the past 10 years.
Yeah, over. I like.
Is a true musician.
Yeah,
that's what.
Wasn't he part of on that song? Say Something.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's my favorite, to be honest.
I mean, really. It goes on and on and on. Oh, go ahead.
I don't mean to interrupt, but where Drake. For those who used to watch Degrassi, who Drake was.
Drake Graham.
You know who Drake was before he was Drake. Jimmy.
Outside a wheelchair.
I was all crippled and couldn't play a game in 5 years.
Hey, Drake, I just wonder, why does your father or your mother name you Aubrey? That's like, I'm not even trying to be funny though.
You want to talk about questionable names?
That was throwing me off of me because that's not one of, like, Sam, that's a girl and a boy name.
Fooey, man.
Like, I don't understand, like, why would you name your
Aubrey?
It's not Audrey, it's Aubrey.
That's what I'm saying.
We say Aubrey. Yeah, Aubrey. That's killing me why your mother would do that to you. Like, she wants you to be tortured in school. And I was seeing some of them high school pictures, when you had a fro and you was all looking nasty, like your hair was a mop or something. I don't know what's going on. But,
well, if Drake was ever to come on the show, he would be like, let me show you these money and dollars that I got, And you up here.
While we're talking about music, let's not take out Lil Wayne. Lil Wayne, he may be gone, but I bet you they have stuff that they're yet to release that they're waiting for. I know that he's. You caught that Miss You record that he had out.
We got T-Bone breaking news.
Breaking news: Lil Wayne will be released from jail November 4th. Mark the date down in your calendars. He will be a free man once again. November 4th.
Doesn't he have some? What they say that upon his release from jail, it was telling us something like he may have some type of community service or something. But I mean that's
working my job that I get paid for. You know he has to do it for free.
That's another Chris.
Just like Chris Brown. You know, just like Chris Brown. So right now. We're gonna wrap things up real quick. Any free for alls, real quick? You want to hit before?
Shout out Kanye, man. Favorite artist for me.
My favorite rapper, not artist. My favorite artist is Prince. So,
Hey, shout out to Prince, man. Shout out to Prince at the BET Awards, man.
Nice pajamas, buddy. Really
he the only dude that could wear himself on a shirt and then wear it out to the BET.
Prince is
That's
Prince.
How awesome that guy is.
Prince is Prince. That's all I gotta say.
How awesome he is.
That's all I gotta say. Prince is Prince. I can't help it. You know, you can't help anything. All right, we're gonna wrap things up. I'd like to thank T-Bone, Torian Dandridge for being on the show here, helping me out again here on this 7/11 day, July 11th. I'd like to thank Gerard Berry for being
always a pleasure. Always
being our
a pleasure.
announcer and
doing nothing but serving the people, man.
You know.
That's all we do.
I'm Anthony Alfred. We'll see you again next time, the Alpha Dog. So if you want to be a guest, let me know. You can have this much fun as we are. See you again when I see you. Peace.